We ordered a exhaust.
Oh!
Woo!
What's up, guys?
Welcome back to our channel.
It has been a couple weeks. We were both sick, so we were resting, recovering, but now we're back. And of course, we're starting off the morning coming to the Subaru dealership because we're picking up a part.
We are picking up the front lip, side skirts, and the rear, what is it called?
Rear spats and the rear diffuser.
Yes, and we're gonna order the
Vortex generator.
Yes.
So we've been waiting for a long time. I don't know why we waited so long, but we waited a long time to get this lip kit. Now we're gonna have it. We're gonna wash the car, install it, and it's gonna look dope.
Yep.
And also, we ordered an exhaust.
We did. We ordered an exhaust. Comment down below what you think we ordered. Not sure though when it's gonna come in.
Because of COVID, I think all kind of auto parts are on delay. So fingers crossed that it comes soon because we really want to put it on and just hear the rumble.
It's gonna sound so good.
So we're excited. So we have a lot more parts coming in. We got a couple goodies coming from Japan actually. But anyways, we're gonna pick up the lip kit and get on with the install video. Before we continue, the birthday girl, drop in the comments, happy birthday, happy 25th birthday. Ooh.
Nice.
You know, anytime you hear the rumble is a good time. Something we didn't think we'd run into.
No, I got it.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, like that.
Perfect.
This has to go in the middle. See? You don't need a minivan.
What a good daily.
Look at that. Boom. Let's go.
Shout out to Doc Center Subaru for always being great help. Car's filthy, so we're gonna wash it in that.
Alright, so we are here. Car's clean.
Yeah.
Looking fine. Looking tick with 3 C's.
Oh.
Soon. Which is lowered. So we got the goods. We are going to unbox it. I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Of course I'm excited.
I'm so excited. I feel like we've been wanting this lip for a while.
Yeah. We have been wanting this lip kit for a long time.
Yeah.
And you guys probably know this. Modding the car, like you just want a car to look like the vision you had.
Yeah.
But it's equally just exciting when you see like bits by bits being put on the car. Right?
Yeah. I think that's the more exciting part.
Yeah.
It's like when you're doing it bits by bits, because then when it comes together, you're like, ooh.
Yeah. So I'm excited. We gotta put this on. We gotta unbox this. So let's get right to it.
So this one is the front lip.
Oh. Oh. So here is the template. So stickers that you actually put under the bumper to help you line it up.
And then just the screws.
Box number 2. Cool.
So these are the
Rear spats.
rears.
There.
Right.
Box 3.
Nice.
Side skirts.
So again, same thing. They all come with the stickers to help you align, right? And then just the screws. That's pretty much it. The rest of the box, empty.
There is a 4th box.
There is.
Which is the rear diffuser. So this is box number 4, but we're not gonna install it today because we are actually waiting for another part to arrive from Japan first. We actually ordered the JDM rear fog light. You guys probably know we already have a rear fog light, but a couple LEDs burnt out, which kind of sucks because you can't replace. It's not like a bulb. You just have to replace the whole thing.
Yeah, it's not worth it.
Yeah.
So
we just ordered a new one, and instead of installing this and having to take it off just to install the rear fog, we thought we'd do it all at once. So next video or whenever the part comes in.
hopefully soon.
Yeah.
They will install her.
So save for next time. In order to install it, you can either use, I guess, jacks, but we're gonna use ramps, probably easier, and gives just enough lift for us to get under the car and install it, and we could use it on all four corners of the car, so that's perfect. These are the certified ramps. They're 10 centimeters.
Yeah.
Which is perfect amount, because once you have the lip on and you lower the car, it still won't scrape. So first, you need a drill. Then you'll need some drill bits. So the ones that you'll need, 5/32 inch, this one. Then you'll need a 1/4 inch. And then the last one, you need a 3/8 inch. And the reason you need 3 is because you use a small one to drill small hole, and this is like the final size so that the clips that come with the kit can actually fit through. So these are the 3 that we will need.
We're just gonna get a cloth to wipe underneath to make sure that it's all good, because we washed the car, but we did drive it here, so you know.
I'm getting ready to drill.
So do we have to drill into the bumper, or is it already there?
No, we have to drill into the bumper. But
what?
Because it's an OEM part, under the bumper there's like little markings, just like a little cross that you can see. It's actually a marking to tell you where to drill, which is nice because you're buying an OEM part so that it'll always fit. You can kind of see the marking right there. It's literally just a groove, like a little plus thing. And it's all over the bumper, so you just follow that, drill into it, and you'll be good. So far 12 holes drilled in total in the bumper, and on the template there's another 2 more, so we're just gonna stick that on and pretty much follow the instructions. You stick it on like that.
Yep.
And then that marking right there is where you drill the other hole. So super easy. There's a total of 14 holes to be drilled. 2 are on the inside fender, 1 on each side, and then there's 12 under the bumper. Everything you need, it comes with the lip kit, so it's very easy. The sun went down. Seems like it took a lot of time, but it actually only took us 20 minutes. So now we're actually going to mount the front lip, and then we'll move on to the rest.
Woo!
Using the flash here, but the front lip is on. Time for the side skirts.
Yep.
So we're going to do the side skirt and the rear spats. This is because the car's on ramps on this side, and then we'll move on to the next side. What do you think?
So far?
Yeah.
I love it. I think it looks so nice. It's a little dark, so it is a little hard to see, but I think once we put everything together, and I'm really cold.
So onto the side skirt. We have to take this off because there's one last clip that goes here, and you can't really drill with the wheel in the way, so we have to take the side skirt off, and it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 clips in total. Take that off and then just pull it and it'll come off. So now we're gonna drill in. We got these templates that you tape on. You drill into the little points and then mount the side skirts. So we had to drill the smaller holes. Now we're just making it bigger, 1/4 inch sides, so that we can pop these right in here like that, and then the screw goes in there. You're good to go.
These little rubber things. Where do you guys do your mods? Do you guys have a spot? Do you just do it in your house, garage, friend's house? Or are you like us that just do it anywhere because you live in a building and you can't actually mod your car?
If you have a garage, you're lucky. If you have a driveway, you're lucky.
Yeah.
But if you live in a condo, then
not so lucky.
You know the pain and the
Unless
struggle.
if you have a wash bay at your condo, then you could use it there. But we don't have that either, so we're stuck out here.
Check that out. It is on. Starting to look good.
Yep.
Now onto the rear spats and then the other side, and then we're done. Unfortunately, we ran into an issue. There's 2 holes right here that you drill into, I guess, the rear bumper. However, the wheel is in the way. And we don't have a jack right now, and we also don't want to just drill on an angle, because if it doesn't fit properly, then
excuse me,
what
you wanted to drill.
Okay.
I said let's just do it the right way and not try to drill it on an angle. And you're like, I just want to get it that wet.
Well, because it looks so good. Like, we got the side skirts on, we got the front lip on, but now we can't put on this rear spats.
Let's just do it the right way.
So we'll probably just do it another day. Either we'll go get a jack and do it, or we'll just wait till we swap to our winter wheels and do it at the same time, because the wheel's going to be off anyways. Bit of a bummer, but
we'll complete the other side skirt on the right side, and then we'll go home because it's super cold.
yeah. So let's finish,
Yeah.
and we'll show you the final look afterwards. All right, we are finally done.
Finally!
I mean, 3/4 of the lip kit is on. We
Yeah.
got the rear spats and the rear diffuser we still got to do. Bit of a bummer we couldn't get the rear spats on, but it is what it is.
Yeah. But at least we got the front and the sides, and it looks so good.
Yeah.
So good. So I love it.
Even though the car's still stock height, just adding a lip kit makes a big difference.
It does. Like, it almost makes it look a little bit lowered in
Yeah.
a way, but it's like obviously not. But it looks so good.
I'm super happy because now the car doesn't look 100% stock, even though it's still an OEM kit.
Yeah, I love it. It looks so good though. So
Yeah.
good.
But
Um,
we're cold. Can't wait to
Yeah.
have a shot. We keep saying this, but that's our goal.
no. Right now, the first thing we're gonna do is go to Tim Hortons and get a hot chocolate.
Yeah, because we're Canadian. Gotta go to Tim Hortons, get a hot chocolate.
Yeah.
It's cold.
But you guys, so Thomas really loves the chrome front bezel from the S2. What is it?
S209? Okay, so
Yes.
this right here. Basically, we want to swap it out. There's the one, obviously, that most people get with the LED strip. But we actually want to go JDM style, which is the JDM ones on the S209 has the chrome here. So we're thinking about getting that. Let us know what you think.
Yeah.
I think it looks great.
I kind of like the black, like the way it looks right now. But from a lot of photos that I've seen, the chrome actually kind of pops.
Yeah.
So I feel like it's one of those things that's like a hit and miss. Like, you might love it or you might completely hate it. It's kind of growing on me, so I'm kind of down to try it out and see how it goes. So I think it'd be cool.
JDM.
100%. We do have a lot of mods coming through, and we ordered a exhaust.
Oh!
Woo! Now, which exhaust? I don't know. You gotta stay tuned to find out. But it is coming. We just don't know exactly when it's gonna arrive because there is pretty much shipment backup on like everything right now. So not sure when it's gonna arrive, but as soon as it arrives, you already know what's coming up.
Yeah.
An exhaust video.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed our video.
Yeah.
We're super excited to have the lip kit on. We're super excited to have more mods coming soon.
Yes.
And
we ordered quite a bit.
Yes. So thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah.
Don't forget to click like, comment,
subscribe.
and follow us on Instagram, Thomas and Stephanie,
Yep.
for more updates. We'll be posting more. I know we haven't been doing the best job at it, but we'll do it a better job. So don't forget to subscribe, and until next time,
We
we'll
will see you on the next one.